Ever wondered what's currently happening in the cryptocurrency market? Are you intrigued by the recent fluctuations? Well, you're not alone. The crypto market is in a state of constant flux, with Bitcoin prices, the bellwether for the entire space, displaying a degree of volatility that can leave even seasoned investors feeling a little seasick. This volatility is having a knock-on effect, impacting ETF investor caution and triggering outflows from the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, or GBTC. But it's not all stormy seas. Amid these market fluctuations, altcoins, those cryptocurrencies that aren't Bitcoin, are showing positive divergence. They're charting their own course, sometimes moving independently of Bitcoin's wild price swings. With the crypto market's dynamism, there's always a new opportunity around the corner, a new coin that could potentially make waves. Let's dive into one such altcoin that's stirring up some interest: the ICP coin. Have you heard about the ICP coin? It's an altcoin that's been on the radar of many crypto enthusiasts recently. This innovative token has been creating quite a buzz, especially with its recent recovery to the 1291 support level. With this recovery, the potential for ICP coin to rise to $15 is a tantalizing prospect that has crypto watchers on the edge of their seats. So what's the secret sauce behind ICP coin's potential rise? Well, it's all about technical indicators. For those not in the know, technical indicators help us analyze an asset's price movement. And for ICP coin, indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Ichimoku cloud are signaling favorable conditions for further growth. But what exactly are these indicators? In a nutshell, the RSI measures the speed and change of price movements, while the Ichimoku cloud provides information about support and resistance levels and the asset's momentum. When these indicators show positive signs, it's like a green light for growth. But let's not get carried away. It's critical to remember that the world of crypto is as unpredictable as it is exciting. In the case of ICP coin, the low funding rates point to a mixed market sentiment. It's a signal that investors are cautious about the coin's future despite its potential. So while the ICP coin's recent recovery and positive technical indicators paint a promising picture, it's important to keep an eye on the broader market sentiment. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortunes can change in a flash. However, it's not all rosy. The low funding rates suggest a mixed market sentiment. While there's optimism, there's also a potential downside to the ICP coin. Now let's delve into the bearish scenario that could be lurking in the shadows for the ICP coin. As with any investment, it's essential to consider both the upside and downside potential. And for ICP coin, the downside could be a drop to $10. Yes, you heard it right, $10. This possible bearish turn is not a random prediction out of thin air, but it's premised on the breach of certain support levels. Support levels, for those who might be new to the jargon, are price levels at which an asset often stops falling because there's more demand than supply. It's like a safety net. But if that net gives way, the asset can drop further, and for ICP coin, that's a potential fall to $10. But what could cause this breach of support levels? Well, the crypto market, like any financial market, is an intricate web of interconnected factors, and one of the key influencers here is the overall market sentiment. Crypto markets are notoriously volatile and can be swayed by a multitude of factors, from macroeconomic indicators to tweets from influential figures. If the overall sentiment turns bearish, it can exert downward pressure on individual coins, including ICP. Another influencing factor is the performance of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as the largest and most influential cryptocurrency, often sets the tone for the rest of the market. If Bitcoin falters and drops below its $68,000 support level, it could send ripples across the market, causing other coins, including ICP, to drop. So, while there's potential for growth, it's crucial to keep an eye on those support levels. Remember, in the world of investments, understanding both the sunshine and the storm is key to navigating the terrain successfully. So what can we expect from the ICP coin as we approach the end of March? The end of March projections for ICP coin are, in a word, optimistic. This optimism stems from the coin's recent recovery, which saw it clamber back to a support level of $12.91. This recovery, while noteworthy in its own right, is also suggestive of a potential for further growth. Indeed, the technical indicators are painting a favorable picture. Both the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Ichimoku cloud are signaling conditions that could be conducive to further growth. This is certainly something to keep an eye on as we move closer to the end of the month. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Despite the encouraging signs, the market sentiment remains somewhat mixed. The low funding rates are indicative of this. While not necessarily a doom and gloom scenario, it does add a layer of complexity to the otherwise optimistic outlook. Moreover, there is the potential for a bearish turn of events. If the support levels are breached, we could see ICP coin drop to $10. This scenario is contingent on a number of factors, including overall market sentiment and how Bitcoin performs, particularly if it continues to hover below its $68,000 support level. In closing, while the end of March outlook for ICP coin is largely positive, it's important to remember that in the world of cryptocurrency, nothing is set in stone. The market is volatile and subject to rapid changes. But remember, in the crypto world, nothing is guaranteed. So, let's summarize what we've covered about the ICP coin and the current crypto market. The crypto market, as we know, is a dynamic beast, constantly shifting and changing with a volatility that keeps even the most seasoned investors on their toes. The recent fluctuations have been impacting investor caution, leading to outflows in products like the Bitcoin ETF. However, amidst these waves, altcoins have been demonstrating a positive divergence, offering a glimmer of optimism in the market's ebb and flow. Now let's bring back into focus the star of our discussion, the ICP coin. This intriguing altcoin has been making waves in the crypto ocean with its recent recovery to a support level of $12.91. The technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index and the Ichimoku Cloud, have been flashing green, signaling favorable conditions for further growth. The end of March expectations for this coin are optimistic, with potential growth leading to a rise to $15. However, as we've discussed, there is a bearish scenario that could unfold as well. Should the support levels be breached, the ICP coin could potentially see a drop to $10. This drop would be influenced by the overall market sentiment and the performance of Bitcoin below its $68,000 support level. In conclusion, the ICP coin, like any other cryptocurrency, is subject to the whims of the market. Its potential for growth is promising, but the possibility of a bearish downturn is equally real. The key to navigating these waters, as always, is staying informed, being aware of market trends, and making educated investment decisions. Keep in mind, the world of crypto is unpredictable, so always stay informed and invest wisely.